how to connect an SD card on your MacBook Neo, and how to transfer files between the computer and the card. For this video, I'll be using a micro SD card, but it works the same if you have a full-size SD card that is usually used in cameras. So unfortunately, this computer doesn't come with an SD card reader. What you'll need to get is a USB Type-C to card reader. This one is made by Anker, and you can input a micro SD card and also a normal SD card. So step number one, input the card in the reader. If the first USB port, the one closer to the screen, is available, I will always recommend using it since it will be faster. But the second one will also work. So I'll go ahead and connect this reader. Next, you're going to get on your display screen that says allow accessory to connect. Obviously, you need to allow it, so click allow. And now nothing happens. So how do you get to the files? Well, you need to open Finder, this icon right over here. If you don't see Finder down below, simply tap on Apps, and then on the top over here, type Finder and click on it. If we open the screen, so you see better, on the left side, you should see under location your SD card. This is mine. It's simply called SD card, but maybe yours will have another name. Tap on it and you'll be able to access all the different files and folders that are currently located on. If you want to copy a file or folder and put it on your Mac, simply select your file or folder, or you can select many if you drag like this. Click on Edit, select Copy. Go on your Mac, okay, location here, that's how my Mac is called, Alex Tricks, and you simply have to paste them the same way. So let's say I want to paste it over here. You're going to go in Edit and select Paste. And here you go, everything has been pasted. Now, another thing that it's important to say is that if you're not able to find your SD card over here, it's maybe because it's not formatted the right way. What I recommend is that you click on the top right corner of your screen where you see the magnifying glass. This is Spotlight Search, and over here you're going to simply type disk. And disk utility should be one of your options. Open disk utility. And you should see your SD card appearing in the list on the left side. Tap on it and you'll be able to see different informations about it. If you want to format this SD card so it's compatible with your Mac and don't mind that everything will be deleted from it, you simply have to select Erase. Give this SD card a new name. Okay, I can call it SD test, okay, no matter what. Select the format. You have a few of them. I suggest you leave it to exFAT in case you want to use this SD card with a PC computer as well. Don't select the first option, macOS Extended or macOS Extended Case Sensitive, in case you want to use the SD card with a phone or other stuff, because they won't be able to read it afterwards. And at the end, press Erase. It's getting formatted, so everything will be erased. You better do a backup before doing this. And at the end, you're going to get a green check mark. Close this window and your SD card should appear finally over here, and you'll be able to use it with your Mac. Thanks for watching. If you found my video useful, please take a moment, check my Amazon links down below. If you want to get this reader or an SD card, I'll put links towards them and other accessories. Comment, tell me if it was useful or not, and I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe and like.